What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG YouTube channel. I had to come over here to the studio and get this video out to you guys because we've got some huge KTM news. It's out now. I think everybody's going to be excited about it if you haven't heard. But before we get into that, let's talk about what we just know already, what we've been talking about all year. And that's been new two-strokes and rumors that there were going to be TBI or throttle body injected instead of TPI, transfer port injected. And I've made 4, 5, 6, maybe more videos about this over the last year. All the rumors we heard. Is TBI going to replace TPI? Is TBI going to come out on just SXs and just XCs? You know, what's going to happen? So obviously in the last few weeks and months, we've confirmed that not only is TBI coming to the 250-300, but it's also coming to the 125, and both of those bikes are all new. That's right, we've done videos on that. We've showed you spy photos of the new 125. We expected maybe one or the other. We didn't expect both, and I really didn't expect KTM to be able to, in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of a global supply chain crisis, to be able to give us 4 new bikes from the ground up, 250, 450 motocrossers, 125, 150 off, motocrossers, and a 250-300. But all these are new, and recently we have confirmed they are going to be throttle body injected, more of a traditional EFI, probably going to be premix. The 125 has an electronic power valve, and the kick starter bosses are removed on all these bikes. So they're going to be electric start and electric start only. So guys, this is a super exciting time to be involved in the industry. This is the biggest single leap in two-stroke moto technology that we've seen in 25 or 30 years. If you think two-stroke motocross bike, you think carbureted kickstart. It's been the same forever, and they're cool. We all love them. We don't want them to go away, but it's getting a little stale, and most of the Japanese manufacturers don't have anything to do with them, have even discontinued. I have an 05 KX250 or an 07 KX250, and most of the parts, a lot of the parts are discontinued for that. It's just, we needed something fresh, something new. Yamaha redesigned their YZ125. It's great, but yeah, this is something on a completely different level. So thank you, KTM, for giving the people what they want. And speaking of giving the people what they want, that's what the big news is today. KTM is going to offer a 300 two-stroke SX model motocross bike. That's right, guys. All the things you've ever wanted. A 300 two-stroke, fuel-injected, electric start, modernized with the most modern suspension and all the tech on the chassis, all that stuff. It's got a map switch. Everything you want, guys. KTM is going to offer is offering it this year. So what makes this bike so cool? In the right hands, guys, be a 450 killer, or it could be, you could say it's a bike that can more easily run against 450s, but still allow you to ride a two-stroke. If you have more fun on a two-stroke, now you can still compete and have that fun. I think this would be a good bike for a guy that maybe only has room in his garage for one bike, and maybe wants to do a little moto, maybe a little GP, GNCC, fast-based trails. Maybe he wants to do some single track every now and then. With a few different bolt-on setups, this bike could do all of that and do all of it well, not just survive it. Sometimes when I take my 450 to the single track, I feel like I'm just surviving it. That 300 should be able to do it all pretty well, with a little tuning and bolt-on mods. So we are super excited. The only thing that could be construed as bad news that we have is that none of these new two-strokes are going to be available until the fall. So we're thinking October, November, but it's not that far away, guys. Blink, get through the summer, and it'll be here. If you're interested in one, there's not going to be enough. I can already tell you there's not going to be enough. So you need to call your dealer. You need to call John in sales at AOMC. and get money down on one as quick as possible. Call your local dealer, get money down on one as quick as possible, because there just won't be enough. So yeah, we're super excited. As soon as I find out more about this bike or any more details, I'm going to give it to you guys, but it's coming. It's going to be sweet. So, all right, guys, thanks so much. Please let today be the day I earn your subscription. I rush over here to the studio, try to throw these videos out for you guys on my lunch most of the time. I want to earn your subscription. I want you to hit that red button, and I would love it if you'd hit the blue button and join my race team. You get a little badge beside your name. You get some different perk levels. You get some videos that only members can see. Nothing crazy, but I try to provide a little bit of extra value if you guys want to team up. You guys get my contact information. We can chat about moto. I try to help you with questions, just stuff like that. A little give and give. So appreciate y'all. See you in the next vid.